wondered why you're asked to write essays and maybe summaries in English language? And when you write that essay, sometimes you don't really get to have enough scores or get enough scores, and even in your summaries. Well, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet, in case you didn't know. If you're new here, it's good to have you here. Remember to click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. In today's video, it's part of my short video series where I'm just trying to educate us on different words that we can use, build your vocabulary, teach you short things that can help you or build your knowledge in English language and make it easy for you to write any essays or summaries. Let's get started in today's video. So in today's lesson, we'll be talking about connectives. I will tell you the meaning of connectives and I'll give you examples of connectives. And I'll tell you why you need to use connectives in your English language, especially when you're asked to do summaries and when you're asked to write essays. Now, if you're writing the Pearson test of English, you agree with me that in the writing module, the first task there, which is a summarized written test, and the second task, write essay. As well as the first task in your PTE listening module, which is a summarized spoken test, you make use of connectives. Now I'm going to show you what connectives are so you know that you've actually been making use of them all this while. Connectives are words or phrases that link sentences together. When you write an essay, you have to link them up with something. The boy and the girl were in grade 4. Now the boy, the girl were in grade 4. That word and is a connective. Now that word and has joined the two sentences together or two words together. Okay, so the boy and the girl are in grade 4. Okay, so that word and is a connective. Now these are other examples of connectives. We have and, because, after. Now these are not cast in stones. That means that there are more connectives, like to begin with, furthermore, however, besides, also. You can leave in the comment section the connectives you have been using and tell me, did you know they were called connectives? Well, that's why I'm your tutor. And that is why I'm doing this in my short video series, so you improve more on the knowledge of English. Here today, we're going to be looking at some examples of connectives and the other words, like the synonyms, okay? Synonyms are other words you can use in place of the word you're talking about. For instance, the word but, B-U-T. These are other words that we can use in place of but. Let us look at them closely. So these words today, we have but. So if you're not going to be using but, if you want to look for other words that you can use in place of but, we can use however, we can use although, we can use yet, we have nevertheless, and we have still. The girl is beautiful, still she loves me. The girl is beautiful, but she loves me. Okay, the boy took my iPhone, however, he returned it. The boy took my iPhone, but he returned it. Now I'm using them to make examples so you know that they are the real words that you can use instead of the word but. So instead of you to be using but every time, you can use however, although, yet, nevertheless, and still. These are not exhaustive lists. Yeah, these are not the only synonyms that you can use in place of but. There are several others. I'm just sharing this one with you today just to build your vocabulary or your knowledge level in case you don't have a lot of time to go to your Google or to check up your dictionary. The next word here in today's series will be therefore. Another word for therefore will be hence, thus, wherefore, so, consequently. Okay, so it means that instead of me to keep using the word therefore, I can use hence. I'm not coming for the meeting today, hence my delay in coming, or hence that's why the manager is there. Okay, hence the manager's presence in the meeting, because I, the CEO, will not be coming for the meeting. The meeting will hold tomorrow, thus come with your AirPod, and your iPad. Does that make sense? So you can also use wherefore. You can use the word so as well as consequently in the place of therefore. Now another one is furthermore. So it's always to keep using furthermore. For instance, if you're asked to do the summarized written test, instead of me to keep talking using the word furthermore, furthermore, or even the summarized spoken test in the Pearson test of English listening, instead of to keep saying furthermore, this, you can use the word additionally. Additionally, another word you can use is again. You know, you hear people say, then again, she did this. Then again, let's think about it in this way. What if this happens, and what if this is the consequences? Okay, so again is another word you can use in place of furthermore. Then we have another word here, likewise. So if I need to keep using the word furthermore, I'll use likewise. Sometimes people use similarly. Okay, another word you can use here is also. So also, also she's beautiful. Furthermore, or you can say it will rain today according to the meteorologist. Also, it will rain at midnight. Okay, so furthermore, instead of say furthermore, it will also rain at midnight. You can use the word also, it would rain at midnight. Another one you can use here in place of furthermore is besides. Now, I want to bring your attention to something. These words are not the only connectives that we have in English language. There are several connectives that we can use in English language. It's just that these ones are the popularly used one or frequently used connectives in English language. Now, I know you ask, how about conjunctions? Are conjunctions connectives? Are they the same? Conjunctions and connectives are not the same. However, conjunctions can also be a type of connective. Also have prepositions that are kind of a type of connectives. So these connectives are really very important in your English language, either in your spoken English or in your written English, if I'm right. So going forward, you can decide to substitute both for however, decide to substitute therefore for wherefore, and furthermore with additionally or anyone here. Please let me know in the comment section, which of these words have you been using frequently and which one will you love to use going forward? Let me know in the comment section. And you can also tell me, give me examples of other connectives you have been using as you speak English every day, or as you write essays, as you write text messages, as you write letters, as you compose messages on Snapchat and all those social media handles. And I'll be glad to see them in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to follow me on Instagram at English_prep class and on Facebook at English Prep Class. I'll see you in another video. Bye.